Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. We are doing hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, hosted by B&D Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Dreams. We are on week 10. And for this project, I hit the Dollar Tree. I needed some candy canes. Came across these little spoons that are stirring spoons that are chocolate. And some hot chocolate. I had these in my cupboard, so they were the ones with the marshmallows. And if you have a Cricut, which I used my Cricut to create this, a coffee mug. But you can go online and get a coffee mug template, because I started out there and I'm like, Tina, what are you doing? You got a Cricut. So I went on Cricut. And it is a pocket, like so. This is semi how I decorate it. So let's get started. You'll see them when they're finished. Oh! And some gift tags if you choose. Show you a few I got decorated. So I started out with the gift tag hanging from the handle, but I didn't like it. So I just have some little cute images that I had in my stash. This is a sticker I had, Dollar Tree bows, these right here. Actually, here, right here. There's that one. So then, I didn't like how it was hanging, dangling from the handle. I think if I would have hung it on the bottom, I'd have liked it better. But instead, what I did, see I decorated, is it's on the back now. To and from. So here we go. Ta-da! So, I took the little chocolate spoon. They are not individually wrapped, so I just took my little bags I had of deli bags, and I just put them in there individually. I thought I had saran wrap. I was going to saran wrap them, but I realized I didn't, so this was the next thing I came up with. And a hot cocoa mix. And the candy canes. Make sure your candy canes aren't broke. All mine in my box were broke, so I kind of taped them. They're going to my grandkids. I'll buy new ones before I give these out gifts. So, I just stick cocoa in there, a little spoon, and then the candy cane. Got that one, and then this one. I made them real simple, and also, when they're empty, you can take the little tag off if you want. You can put this, glue this down in a journal, and then you have a pocket for something also. And they're all like little scenes of snowman. I thought, I went with snowman. The gifts are in the back. This is Julie netting paper, nutting that I had. And then I have the lady decorating a tree with a snowman right there. And last but not least, this one. So that, really cute. Give to your mailman. That's what I'm going to do with one. One's going to be for my mailman, and then I'll stick his little gift card in there. I get them every year. And cute little gift. So I want to thank you guys for watching. We have 2 more weeks after this to do. I hope you guys have enjoyed these projects that I've been sharing. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And please go check out the other participants. Bye.